today. Constable Lackey, you missed the part, but we have two student co-hosts today. Say good morning, Ellie and Oliver, please. And then when you unmute, you can also start with our acknowledgement statement.
Blackgold School Division would like to acknowledge that we are located within the boundaries of Treaty 6. This land is the ancestral and traditional territory of the many Indigenous peoples of this area, including the Cree, Saulteaux, Blackfoot, Dene, Dakota Sioux, and Métis.
We would also like to acknowledge the traditional knowledge holders and elders who are still with us today and those who have gone before us.
Thank you so much for doing such a great job on that. And I am going to love having you as our guest today. All right. Welcome, everyone. Oh, goodness gracious. So we're starting off with a glitch. I have Mondays and or a chocolate covered strawberry day. Both of those things happen to me in my favorite. And my favorite nut, does anybody remember what my favorite chocolate nut is? I don't know. Ellie and Oliver, do you remember? Oh, and Mrs. Teowitz's class, their whole class remembers. Somebody unmute those people and tell everyone, what's my favorite chocolate nut?
Almonds.
You guys win the prize of a clap from me. Thanks so much, guys. Yes, I love chocolate almonds. I have a joke for us today as well. So my joke is actually from Tristan. Why did the dolphin cross the road? I have no idea why.
To get to the other tide.
To get to the other side. That's a great one. Thanks, Oliver. And Ellie, maybe you can ask your joke to Constable Lackey.
Did you hear about the kidnapping at the beach?
No, I did not. What happened?
It's okay, he woke up.
That is awesome. We might have to explain that to a few people. Oh, Mrs. Horrocks just got it. All right, great joke, Ellie. Great joke. Okay. I would say. All right, moving right along to see what our standings are. 4B buddies, you're keeping it up there, but it's only a 30-some point lead. I don't know, over 1A. Let's see what happens next. Question 10. Are y'all ready? Give me a wave if you're ready. Are you ready? Okay, all right, let's do this. Okay, here we go. True or false? Random acts of kindness can make us happy. I love that little monkey, by the way. It chose it specifically for you guys. Yes, random acts of kindness can indeed make us happy. All right, I'm going to click the button to see the final standings. Here we go. In third place, 3A upstanders. Well done, 3A. Second place, 1A. And that means first place is 4B buddies. I don't know if 4B has ever won the Kahoot before. So this is very exciting. I can tell for them. Well done, 4B, and well done, everyone, on reviewing some things about kindness that we've learned this month. You have done a great job. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. See, but do you guys remember at the beginning of the month when we did our winter walk day? Do you guys remember that? Yeah, it was pretty cold out. Well, guess what? I submitted a couple of photos, and one of the photos that I submitted was of Mrs. Nuttall's class doing the winter walk. And that photo was one of 3 winning photos for the town of Devon. We won a contest. So exciting. And for that contest, we won a prize that's worth $50. And so when the town of Devon called me to ask, like, what would you like for this prize? They gave me some ideas or some options. And so I chose 2 things so that I could give away a prize to 2 classes. This cool big square one. So both of these really large Poppet games can actually be played with 4 players instead of some of the other big Poppet games we've given away were 2 players. So this will be, I think, a really fun activity center game, or for indoor recess, we can always play those as well. So I'm going to share my screen because I've got all the classes that participated in the winter walk. on a wheel, and we're going to draw 2 classes to win each of those prizes. It always takes a minute for me to share my screen, so just hang on a second. Okay, and my view panel also always goes off. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Can you see the spinning wheel? Wonderful. Okay, fingers crossed. Anything else you need to do for good luck? What do you think, Elia and Oliver? Do you think, unmute guys, do you think there's a special trick to being the lucky class? What's the special trick, Ellie?
You just wish really hard.
Oh, you wish really hard. Well, let's see who's going to wish the hardest. You can stay unmuted, guys. We're going to see who's going to wish the hardest and be our first winner. The first one I'm going to give away is the pastel square. And our lucky class is going to be 2B, Mrs. Mullins' class. Yay, you guys must have been really hard wishers. Well done. So you guys win this game for your class. Okay, I'm going to remove them from the wheel because you can't win twice, boys and girls. Okay, get that wishing happening because here is our second winner. Our second winner is going to be, oh, it is 1-2B. That is the closest I've ever seen it be on the line. Congratulations to 1-2D. And I'm so sorry, 2A. I would turn it over to Constable Lackey for a second and just have him share a couple more things that he might have noticed in the community having to do with kindness or sharing a couple words of wisdom. Thanks for joining us today.
Good morning, Robina Baker. No, I've seen lots of acts of kindness. I've seen a couple kids out clearing sidewalks for their parents. I've seen lots of people taking their time going across crosswalks and being very safe out there. Lots of hellos and thank yous, and it's nice to see you. You're doing a good job. I appreciate all of those, and I'm sure everybody else that you say those to appreciates them as well.
Wrote for heart winners, if you can come down for your prizes. Classroom people, prizes, I will deliver those to the classroom and we will somehow get a photo of that as well. So happy Friday, everyone. And remember to smile because that's where kindness starts. Take care.